answer session. My first question is, who was the Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam father? Answer, Abdullah. My second question is, who was the Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam mother? Answer, Aminah. My third question is, who was the Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam grandfather? Answer, Abdul Muttalib. Thank you, sister. Now I enlighten us and brighten our morning assembly. So I would like to call my sister Tahira Begum from class 9 for deliver short speech of the day, Corona. To deliver short speech of the day, good manners.
Good morning. Good morning to respected agents, sir, teachers and my dear friends. I am Tahira Begum from class 9 and I